Stage 1 landing burn.
That landing burn has now begun.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing is confirmed.
There we can see on the left-hand side of your screen that the first stage has stuck the landing once again. Great view from our drone ship just made the instructions. Parked a couple hundred miles off the coast of Florida.
Orbit insertion.
And we also just heard the call out that we have a good orbit for the second stage. At this point in time, that second stage is carrying those 56 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit. And with our Starlink satellites in orbit, that MVAC engine, beautiful horizon there, Earth in the background behind those Starlinks. Now with those in orbit, we'll bring our webcast to a close. Be sure to check social media for confirmation of deploy. Thanks to both the FAA and the range for their support today. And also thanks to you for joining us bright and early this morning. We'll see you next time.